Hello friends, today I'm so excited to share with you all how we prepare a special dish using goat head, skin and intestines in a traditional way. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I'm preparing a traditional Northeast Indian Tripura style recipe, a festive delicacy made from goat head, skin and intestines. This dish is prepared completely oil-free, keeping it both delicious and healthy. We begin with the goat head. The very first step is cleaning. Traditionally, we hold the head carefully by putting a stick inside the mouth over open fire. As the flame touches the surface, the fine hair begins to burn away and easily removable. With steady scraping, layer by layer, the skin becomes smooth and clean. Next, we focus on the horns and other rough parts of the head. The horns are removed along with any tough or unwanted outer layers. The ears and mouth are also cleaned thoroughly, leaving behind only the edible, tender sections. This process takes time, but it is worth it because once the head is fully cleaned, it carries both smoky flavor and a pure, fresh taste ready for cooking. Once the head is prepared, we move to the goat skin. Just like the head, the skin is passed over the fire to remove the fine hair, then scraped and washed carefully. Clean goat skin adds a unique gelatin-like texture rich in natural collagen. Next, we prepare the intestines. This step requires extra attention. The intestines are washed thoroughly in running water several times. We also press and clean them to remove all internal dirt and waste. Only after this careful cleaning do they become fresh and safe to cook. With everything now cleaned, we cut the goat head into smaller sections from the cheeks to the jaw, carefully separating each piece. The head meat is tender, flavorful, and full of nutrition, especially protein and minerals. We now cut the goat skin into pieces ready to be cooked. And next comes the spice base. We crush fresh green chilies into a paste, then pound garlic and ginger together until smooth. Finally, we prepare onion for natural sweetness. These simple spices, chili, ginger, garlic, and onion, form the heart of this recipe, balancing the richness of the meat with freshness and health benefits. Now, we place the goat head, skin, and intestines into boiling water. Slow boiling softens the meat, extracts nutrients, and forms a rich broth, all without using a single drop of oil. Finally, we add in our fresh chili, ginger, garlic, and onion paste, stirring them into the broth. Slowly it simmers, releasing a fresh aroma, smoky, spicy, and full of tradition. And here it is, our Northeast Indian Tripura goat delicacy, ready on the eve of puja, rich in protein, minerals, collagen, and completely oil-free. A dish that is both nourishing and celebratory.